If you ever need to join a Google Calendar meeting quickly, this video will walk you through the exact steps so you can get in without any confusion. Whether it's a work meeting, a class, a client call, or a team check-in, Google Calendar makes it easy to join directly from the event itself. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is important because the meeting will only appear on the calendar that has been invited to the event. Once Google Calendar opens, look through your schedule and find the meeting you want to join. You can use the day view, week view, or month view depending on how your calendar is set up. When you spot the meeting, click the event to open the details. Inside the event window, you should see a meeting link or a button that says Join with Google Meet. This is the fastest way to enter the meeting, so click that option to continue. Before you actually join, take a moment to check your microphone and camera settings. This is where you can make sure the right mic is selected, your webcam is working, and your audio is set the way you want it. If you do not want to appear on camera, you can turn the camera off before entering. If you need to mute yourself right away, make sure the microphone is set correctly too. Once everything looks good, click Join Now. At that point, Google Meet will open and take you directly into the meeting. If the meeting host has already started the call, you'll enter right away. If not, you may need to wait briefly until the host admits you, depending on the meeting settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to join a Google Calendar meeting in just a few simple steps. It's a very useful process to know, especially if you attend a lot of online meetings and want a faster way to connect without searching for links in emails. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials like this one.